I've been active my whole life in construction, and I'm kind of a hands-on guy. So with installing garage doors back when I first started up and building houses and stuff of that nature, I guess I just wore part of my knee out. I don't know why, but I had bone on bone in my right leg, partial bone on the inside, and that was painful. I can't go up and down ladders. So I couldn't go on trips. Walking through the airport hurt pretty bad. And it just handicaps you. I did get a brace. It gave a little bit of relief, but it was still there. The ad was just about stem cells, and so I started Googling and researching, and it was a possibility, and we came up and talked about it. The stem cell is kind of unbelievable in how it can mimic itself to what needs to be done. And once you study it and start seeing what it does, it's kind of unbelievable. But Dr. Pettke was real good about explaining that it's not for everybody, okay? Stem cell has to have something to work off of. It has to, in my opinion, it has to mimic something already there. If it doesn't know what to mimic, it's not any good. When I first came in, I filled out this little sheet, okay? And it had a list of everything that you do during the day, like get up out of bed, go brush your teeth, you know, and take a walk, you know, even getting up off the commode. But it had a pain level, 1 through 5, and I had forgotten about it. So we do the stem cell, we do the injections, and we come back and I filled out this form. Well, it was the same form. So the doctor that did the injection said, I want to show you something. She says, this is the one you filled out when you first came in. You're at a 78 pain level. She said, this is one you filled out today, and I was at a 27. It's not for everybody, but if it is, it's going to do you some good.